In the heart of a dense, ancient forest, early humans thrived by hunting sustainably, guided by the whispers of the wind. They believed the forest spirits demanded balance, taking only what was needed. One night, a hunter named Kiran ignored the sacred rules, driven by greed. He returned with more than his share, and the forest grew silent. The next day, Kiran's skin began to change, sprouting bark-like textures. His screams echoed as he transformed into a tree, rooted forever in the forest he betrayed. The tribe watched in horror, realizing the forest's wrath was real. Like, comment, and subscribe for more chilling tales.